The letter B shows it the best for this particular lesson. And in the last lesson, what we did is at the end of the row, we added on chains and joined it to something that already exists. So we joined it at the end of that. So in this case, this diagram is showing it that it was going this way. That's just because of the back and forth. In the last one, we were doing it the other way, but it's still the same concept. So what you're going to do is as you're doing the letter B, you're working your way up like this, and then you're holding. And so you have to hold so that you get this portion done, right, that you see there coming on up. You'll chain on over and attach it and then fasten off. And then what you're going to do with that one is that you'll pick it up and then just go across. So it's the number of chains that you can actually physically count in order to release that over so that you can count your single crochets when it comes back across. So you will have to, in the letter B, you'll have to do that twice. So when you're coming across, in this case, it'll be coming here. We'll be adding on our extra chains right here, and then you're gonna come on up here and join it, and then you're going back and forth again on that chain work. So it's exactly what we learned. It's just, you can do it in either direction, and just keep an eye on the sequence because that's what matters the most.